Jason from Blue Weather, and this is your tropical update for your Sunday, August the 23rd. Let's look at the two tropical storms that could turn into possible hurricanes, especially Laura. We have Marco and Laura. We'll show you Marco first. And by the way, if there has two hurricanes in the Gulf at the same time, it is the first time that's happened in recorded history. There was a rumor going around that in 1933 that it happened. Actually, it didn't, because one of them crossed the Florida Peninsula. It came into the Gulf as a tropical storm. So there was a tropical storm and a hurricane, not two hurricanes. So if this happens this time, it's the first time ever in recorded history. The GSF model is showing a strong tropical storm or small category 1 hurricane. And it's showing it just east of the Florida Panhandle into Louisiana. GSF parallel showing it a lot farther west as a category 2. I just don't think it'll be a category 2. It's not out of the realm of possibilities, but it has encountered some shear and some land interaction. So it's not impossible the warm waters could get it that big, but I don't think so. The HWRF hurricane model shows a tropical storm hitting just east of the Panhandle, and so does HWRF. Shows a tropical storm hitting just east of the Panhandle. Now, look at the intensity guide. With the next 36 hours, it could reach category 1 hurricane strength, according to some models, but some models, just as many, if not more, shows it just being a tropical storm. GSF model for Laura shows a 954 millibar, which would be a category 4 hurricane. I just don't think it'll get that big. I think the biggest that anybody thinks it's going to be is a category 3, which is still a major hurricane. European model shows a 957 millibar. The Canadian model shows a 993, which is a tropical storm, so that is off. But the track is also too far east, probably, on the Canadian model. If you look at the Navy model, it's showing a 989, which would probably be just a category 1 hurricane. The Icon model showing a 967, which would probably be a Cat 2. So I think it's pretty safe to say we'll see a strong category 2, if not a category 3 hurricane out of Laura. The HWRF hurricane model shows Laura hitting almost where Texas and Louisiana meet together is 947. And 947 would be a category 4 hurricane. I just don't think it'll reach category 4 hurricane strength. We'll just have to see. HWRF hurricane model shows 948 millibar, and the HMON hurricane model shows a 941. Intensity guidance on here for Tropical Storm Laura shows within the next 48 to 96 hours, it reaching more than likely no more than a Cat 2, but there is some models that shows it reaching Cat 3, so we'll just have to see and monitor this. All right, guys, that's your update for your model guidance for your Tropical Storm Laura and your Tropical Storm Marco. Y'all have a good day.